Hey, I'm Samir. Welcome to this short video in which I will introduce the n8n template I designed for the AI-powered language teacher. When you are learning a language, it's extremely important to build vocabulary. This is why in another template you can find an automated workflow to create flashcards. So that creates basically Google Sheets that could be fed in apps like Enki, where you can use it to learn vocabulary with the flashcards. But now with AI, we can also support us in the language process with new methods. And here this is one. Basically this workflow creates a chatbot on Telegram that supports you in learning a new language. Let me show you an example. So you go on Telegram, you can start the conversation. Then the bot is asking you a question. So I've been learning Chinese, so this is basically helping you to learn Chinese vocabulary, but you can adapt it to any vocabulary, and I will explain you how. Here, so they asked me what's the correct translation for transport. So I will put the right answer, which is B. And then, yeah, you have a confirmation, so the bot is checking that the answer is correct and is proposing you a new question, sorry. So let's see what happens if you are providing a wrong answer. So here, no, so the right answer is C, let's put B. And here, okay, so it corrects you, gives you the right answer, and then gives you another question. So it's pretty easy, of course you can improve it, but that's a good base to start to have a kind of AI-powered language teacher. So let me show you how it's working and how to set up. So it starts with the Telegram trigger. The Telegram trigger would need just your Telegram account. You create a bot on Telegram using the botfather bot, and then you provide the token related to this. Then you retrieve the vocabulary, and so basically it's going to the sheet that you have prepared with the vocabulary list, and it's taking all the columns. So here, if you know the templates that are created in the past for Enki flashcards, is exactly the same sheet. Then it takes two columns, so the columns with the initial text, so the text in your native language or the language that you are learning. So here it would be the list in English. And then the translated text, so the text to the target language, that would be basically here in Chinese. And then it feeds an AI agent. So I have equipped this AI agent with an OpenAI chat model and a simple memory. And then the output is going to Telegram to answer. So that creates basically this conversational agent that is using Telegram. So let's go here quickly on the system prompt. I made it easily to not use that many tokens. Of course, you can improve it, but basically providing the context. Here it provides you your first name in case it's needed. And then the rules. And what is important here is that it defines the rules with the format of questions and how the bot is supposed to react. So let's say that you want to adapt it to the language. So here you need probably to change from Chinese to the language that you want to learn. And here, in terms of saying 4 Chinese answers, you would say 4 like Italian or Spanish, depending on the language you want to learn. And then you're good. The bot is ready to set up, and you can practice quite easily. And the bot is pretty smart because it's not taking the same word multiple times. And if you want to add another logic, you can just go to the system prompt and say, okay, I want one word every 5 attempts, so that could improve your vocabulary. So thank you for following this tutorial, and good luck for your learning process.